Okay, well I've dropped the keyboard rack back into the synth. Apologies for the odd camera angle. There's no way I can put this. The tripod's a little short thing, so if it's in front of the keyboard you can't see the screen. If it's in the back you can't see the screen. The only place you could see it would be on the keys, but then it would fail the calibration test. So I really want to see if it passes the calibration test. So best not give it anything to complain about. So okay, power it on. And again it complains the battery's low. Well, we're expecting that because I haven't done anything about it. Next it will complain about the keyboard calibration failure, so give it a go. And it calibrates and passes and presumably enables the keys, so let's have a go. We have a working synth and all the keys work, which is yeah, we're happy with that. I was expecting to find a few dead keys or a few keys that were a bit sticky. I've fixed a few of these synths and this is probably the easiest keyboard so far. So obviously it's not touch sensitive, which is a common cause of problems in other ones. So that's pretty good. What I also got with it from the guy who was giving it away was a couple of original sound cartridges. So I don't know if this is going to do anything with it in its current state. I did read the manual. It said I could put the cartridge in without there being any. You can put the cartridge in when it's turned on without any problems at all. So recall failed. Make copy. See, I'm working blind here. See, these, obviously the cartridge buttons here, which are out of shot again, don't have any keys in place, so I'm kind of limited in the number of voices I can get out of this. Actually, I could poke the dip switches, or the micro switches, with something. Can I do this with? Cotton bud that I use for cleaning my soldering iron. Okay, let's change the voice. Very 80s sounding sax. Pretty cool sounds out of this actually. I was expecting it to be far more basic. Okay, Afrique, whatever that is. Very Lion King. Bebop bass. Kind of a muted piano, French horn. Piano high. Don't know how these are sounding actually on the recording. It could be a little bit faint. My wife's already complained that it's too noisy, so maybe it is loud enough. Okay, cool. Well, one working synth. I need to obviously replace the battery, get those keys reinstalled, but then it's really a case of cleaning for functionality wise anyway, getting rid of that dodgy contact and having the case a bit of a polish up. But other than that, it's going to be a fairly easy restore. Drums. Awesome. Okay. See you later.